Dewalt are a massive name when it comes to power tools. They have been making tools for the trade for countless years, and they have become a reliable brand for so many. And Dewalt's 12-volt XR range is yet another feather to their cap, taking their trusted and respected name and instilling those qualities into compact tools. You're looking at extreme power but on a more compact scale, but regardless, that attention to detail has not been lost. These tools are built for the trade and perfect for anyone needing to get into those tighter spaces. That said, they are also perfect for anyone looking to get into Dewalt but don't want to have to be using, those bulkier 18-volt tools. We're seeing it more and more, that gap between 18-volt and 12-volt is getting smaller and smaller, and that is definitely the case here because the power of some of these 12-volt tools, especially nowadays, is unbelievable. Dewalt have covered many of the essentials with your combi drills, your impact drivers and your circular saw, but there is definitely more to come. They're aware that some competitors have a bit more of a fleshed out 12-volt range, but Dewalt know that these tools are popular, and that is why they are starting to bring more and more out. These 12-volt batteries are also compatible with a lot of Dewalt lasers, which are some of the most popular lasers in the industry. And Dewalt are continuing to expand with their extreme subcompact range, which once again means that there is no lack of attention to detail. You are still getting that extreme power on a smaller scale. We're seeing more and more of these tools operating with brushless motors too, meaning that you're getting more efficiency with less maintenance. This is a perfect range for a variety of trades, specifically more those along the lines of mechanics, those jobs where you're going to be needing to work in tighter spaces. But, these tools can apply to any trade, and as we said, that gap between 12-volt and 18-volt is getting smaller, and Dewalt are starting to release more tools in this range. So this may be a time for you to hop on to 12-volt and, get ahead of the trend. And if you want to see more from Dewalt and Dewalt 12-volt, then you can see it all over at its.co.uk. We have a brand new Dewalt Superstore, which is your new home of all things Dewalt, with articles, buying guides, reviews, and more. You can see it all at its.co.uk.